How's it going? Damien from Pelican and Renline. Today we're going to go over how to access the front of the engine, which is done by removing the seat, this carpeted section, and the metal cover to gain access to the front of the engine. So first step, to get access to the rear bolts of the seat so we can lift this out, you're going to want to put this up all the way and then slide it all the way forward. To undo the seat bolts, you'll need an external torque socket. This one is an E12. Now we'll push the seat down and back so we can get to the front bolts. First, to gain access to the front bolts here, there are these covers, so these will have to be removed. That's easily done with a pick tool, pulling up on this little plastic tab right here that kind of locks it to the rail. Just like so. With the tab pulled up, pull forward. And out like so. With that trim cover removed, now you can see the bolt is right here and you have full access to remove it. Before we remove the seat, we'll need to undo the connection that is powering the motors that recline the seat. So you want to lift up on this large tab right here to unlock it, and it should slide out. Since this is a 986 and we have the luxury of the top being down to remove the seat, it'll be much easier, but I'm gonna go ahead and show you how I would do it if we were working on a 996. I like to leave the seat just like this, lift up the front section and swivel it out and come straight out. With the seat removed, you can see we have much more space to access this carpeted panel and the panel beneath it. Just to make it a little bit more easier, we will flip this up and kind of move it out of the way. Optimizing our workspace. To remove the carpet, there are 4 plastic push rivets on the top edge all the way down the length of the car. You can access them and get them out with a trim tool. You can just peel up the front here and you'll feel it. There's 1, 2, 3, 4. And you can slip this under here, get under an edge and pop up just like that. And you should be able to grab them. Or you can access them through underneath of this carpet along the top edge here. By just undoing these and removing like so. And there's 4 of these push pins all along the top edge, and you can just remove them with a trim tool. And then you're able to remove the carpet covering the front access cover. Once those plastic push pins are removed, now you can just peel the carpet out. Now with the carpet removed, we have the actual access panel. That's held in place by these 7 10mm bolts and 2 10mm nuts. So we'll go ahead and remove all those and pull the cover off. Now with the cover removed, you can see you have all the access you need to either inspect or replace your drive belt, any of the pulleys. That concludes this video. So now you'll have easy access to change the drive belt on your 986 Boxster. If you want to see more videos like this, go to pelicanparts.com.